To a fresh installation of GeoTheme. I've just installed a fresh copy of WordPress. It's running 2011 theme, and at this point you want to decide if you're going to run the standard theme or if you want to run the styled child theme, because when you start setting up and inputting and placing your widgets in different areas, that won't save when you switch between themes. So you want to make your decision now which one you want to go for. I'll choose the child theme. Let's go ahead and activate it. Activate. Okay, at this point you'll get told, because you're using the child theme, that you should set your skin to none here, or you can insert some sample data. Let's insert this sample data. This can take up to 30 seconds, a minute, so might take a bit of time for that. Okay, now we have the sample data inputted. Let's follow the instructions here and set our skin to none. So we can click here to go and set the skin to none. Theme skin none. This is because we're running the styled child theme. We have to set it to none so that the original styles don't try to take over. Okay, at this point, if we view the site, let's refresh that. You'll have the basic site. You might notice some of the widgets are a wee bit wider, so we can easily change the width of them. We'll do that in a second. First thing I want to do is go to the general settings and set up what I want to set up here. So let's allow user to see admin, no. Enable claim listing, auto approve, no. Just tick whatever you want ticked here, and I'll put in miles and feet, and let's change it to permalink settings here. When you submit the general settings page, you'll notice it'll say we'll update the permalinks in 3 seconds. We'll come to them in a second, but now I've saved the design settings, the general settings. Let's just save the design settings once more. I'm just going to enable a user to list an event. It'll also enable Google+. Save changes. That's saved. Another page, 3 pages that you must save when first setting up your theme is general settings, an email, general settings, design settings, and notifications. You just simply have to go in here and click submit on any of the fields, and that will save it to the database, because this information isn't already set in the database. It's just put in there for your convenience to edit. When we click submit, that's the notifications sent to the database, so we know they'll be sent. Let's just do the permalinks quickly. If we go to the normal WordPress settings, permalinks, choose your structure. I just like post name. Click save. Once the standard WordPress permalinks are saved, you must save the GeoTheme permalinks. Did I save that? Yes, alright, that's saved. Now we go to GeoTheme, general settings. Simply just have to click save here to update the GeoTheme permalinks. Another email. We'll update your permalinks in 3 seconds, and that's it updated. So now all our permalinks will be nice. Not that you can see the permalinks, but that means they'll be all nice the way we've set them out to be. Okay, from here let's go ahead and set up our widgets. Notice we don't have the map on the front page, so let's add that. Appearance and widgets. In the front top banner section, that's where we want to add the map. Let's have a look for it. Google Map v3 homepage. Let's drag that up here. And if we now have a look here. Now the styled child theme is slightly wider, so we might have to widen this map. Yep, it's a wee bit thin, so let's go ahead and just make it 960 instead of the 940. Try that. Yeah, that's it, lining up perfect now. And let's just fix these while we're here. The we recommend is a wee bit wide, so let's go to front sidebar. We recommend, and image width is 295. Let's make it 275. Scroll down and save. refresh. Okay, there we go. Now that image slider's fixed as well. Now let's go ahead and add the maps to the category section. Now say we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've only got 4 listings in here. We want to change that as well. So let's go to GeoTheme design settings. And category page listing format, let's change that to 10 and save, and go back to widgets, and we look for the place listing sidebar, and we can just get rid of these advertised ones, keep the recent review. Now we want to put in the Google Maps v3 listing page. Let's put that in here. Let's make it auto zoom. The auto zoom will make the map zoom in and out depending on where the markers are, so it'll always show all the markers, so we want that. Otherwise it'll take the selected city and zoom in that location. And let's make it sticky as well. I'll show you what I mean by sticky. Let's go to attractions. Now we'll see the map there, and we should have 10. You'll see it'll stick to the top here as well. And we can pinpoint places. So that's that done. Now we also want to do that for events. So let's find events listing and do the same. Google Maps v3 listing page. Let's put it under the recent reviews. Get rid of the advertise. And auto zoom sticky map. Oops. Okay. I should have that in events now as well. And we'll go past events. There we go. Have that there now as well. Now one thing I hate is this admin bar, so let's get rid of that. That's always one of the things I get rid of. Add new plugin. And there's a plugin called Hide Admin Bar. Very well named. And I have it installed, so I must just need to activate it. Activate. There we go. Go to the front page now, it should be gone. There we go, it's gone. If you want to set up multi-city now, we want to add the location select. So let's go to appearance, widgets, go down go down to header navigation right, and you have two options here: the multi-city if you're just going to run cities, or the location select if you're going to be having countries or neighborhoods or anything like that. Just save that. Back to the home page. Now we have this location select menu here. Now we'll have to activate multi-city, so we'll go to design settings, multi-city settings, wish to enable multi-city. I'll enable the everywhere city as well, and let's go ahead and activate countries and neighborhoods and regions. That's how you activate all them. Save changes, and let's go add another city. And when you first go to the manage city page, it'll quickly refresh and add the everywhere city. We'd want to add another city. Let's add Glasgow, set address on map, zoom in, and select the categories we want. Let's just select most of them and we'll tick. These are the categories that are going to be ticked once we view the homepage map. Auto zooming, yes, and submit. So now we have another city, Glasgow. Let's go back to the homepage. Which another thing we'll notice is none of these boxes are ticked, so automatically when it's not ticked it will show all markers anyway, and then once you tick a marker it will just show the attractions, for example. Now if you want to show you how to tick these, we go into Edit Philadelphia and we can select which categories are shown. We can also add the events category if we wish as well, and then we can set which ones are ticked. So let's say we just want attractions and hotels. We want only them to be ticked. Let's submit that. Back to the home page, and only them two are ticked. And we can go between locations. We also have this My Nearest City, which will locate us to the nearest city, which if I click it should take me to Glasgow. We can click all cities. It shows Glasgow and Philadelphia and everywhere. Now I won't go into detail about setting up the multi-locations, the countries and regions. I'll do that in a separate video. But that is about almost it for a new installation. Let's add, in the demo we have the nice scrolling reviews here, so let's add them. Appearance, widgets, front content, and wide recent reviews. Let's add it at the bottom. Recent reviews, number of reviews, let's say 20 reviews. Let's leave the X length. Number of reviews visible, let's say 2. Pause time 1000 milliseconds. Transition 2000 as it suggests. Save that. Now we'll have to add a comment, so let's go to the Liberty Bell Centre and give it 5 stars. Oops. Okay, submit review. Because I'm admin, it'll automatically be submitted. Oops. Back to the home page. You'll see it's there twice, but as soon as you get more reviews, that'll go by. That'll keep adding more reviews, and it'll scroll. If you hover over it, it'll stop scrolling. And that's it for a bit of basic installation. We also have the full screen maps. That's it for basic installation. Hope this helps some people.